Oh, hey Yellowbird. What do you want, Redbird? Can't you see I'm trying to count the dust particles on the TV? Oh, well, do you want to have another party? Yeah, sure, I'm down. I guess I have nothing better to do. Oh yeah, I just need to go to the store and get some confetti and stuff, you know. Redbird, don't you remember? You spent all your money on moldy burritos. Damn it, I should have known that guy was a fraud. He looked exactly like King Pig. Whatever. How am I gonna get money now? Oh, I know. I can just take out a loan. Redbird, you know you have to pay it back, right? Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Anyways, I think I know who to call. Hello? What do you want? Yeah, I would like to take out a loan for $50,000. Look, I want it paid back in full in 3 days, or there's gonna be consequences, okay? Yeah, I promise you, I'll pay it back. Don't worry about it. Alright, bye. Redbird, what the absolute hell is wrong with you? You know you're not gonna pay that back, right? Of course I'll pay it back. And what's the worst that could happen anyway? Redbird, who did you even take a loan out from anyway? It was like this Sir McTeddy guy? Why? Redbird, do you know who that is? You're probably gonna end up a wall decoration if you don't pay that back. Yeah, sure, whatever. That's really cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my party stuff. You still want to party, right? I guess. Yeah, party! Yeah, another party! Yeah, I just snuck into this party. This is so cool. I still got $49,000 left over. I'm gonna buy more stuff. Yes, I got this amazing 8-ball. Hey, will anyone ever love me? Damn it. I got this rock that costed $10,000 and is apparently super ancient. And this statue of some kind of king or whatever, I don't even know. But I'm glad I have it. In this little thing of genuine gold. I still have $34,000 left. What am I gonna spend the rest of it on? What's all this commotion down here? Hey, Redbird, what the actual hell are you doing? And what is all this stuff? Well, I took out a loan from Sir McTeddy, and yeah, I got all this stuff now. Redbird? Sir McTeddy? Do you know what he'll do to you if you don't pay that back? What's he gonna do to me anyway? And of course I'm gonna pay it back. Well, how are you gonna pay it back, huh? Oh, I don't know, and I don't really care. Anyways, do you want to party with us? I think I'll pass on that. And it was nice knowing you, Redbird. Bye. Whatever, Greenbird. You don't know what you're talking about. Come on, guys. Let's get some more stuff. Yes! I got more stuff, including these nice shades. I wonder if I can take some of this. Hey, don't touch that. This is my stuff. Sorry. Oh, man. Oh, that was a long party. Oh, it's been 3 days. You haven't paid that loan back, Redbird, have you? What loan? What are you talking about? You know, Redbird, that loan you took out from Sir McTeddy 3 days ago. What are you talking about, Yellowbird? Alright, this is the place. Proceed forward. Come on, soldiers. We need to show them. Get a move on it. Oh God, there's someone at the door. Redbird, look what you've gotten us into now. What are you talking about, Yellowbird? Just calm down. Look, what do you want? Don't play dumb with me. You know exactly why I'm here. Your friend, Redbird, took out a loan and promised to pay me back, but hasn't paid me back yet. And I told him there'd be consequences, so now, time for consequences. Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know any Redbird, okay? Look, I know Redbird's here. Alright, either you come up with the $50,000 within the next 60 seconds, or there's gonna be hell to pay. Quick, I need to find someone who might have $50,000. Oh man, I didn't even know the paper towel roll could come out this far. Hey, Purple Yoshi, do you have $50,000? Quick, I really need it because, my friend's in trouble. No, just go away, okay? Oh, damn it. I can't believe Luigi bought 12 tons of cow manure. How did he even get here? The road is closed on both ends. Oh, hey Mario. Oh, what could you possibly want? Oh, can you please give me $50,000? It's an emergency. I promise. Well, Luigi said he wanted to be a gardener, so he spent $50,000 on cow manure, so I can't, sorry. Ah, damn it, what a waste of time. Alright, time's up. Look, we don't have the $50,000, okay? But are you really gonna kill us over a loan? Well, that all depends. Redbird, are you willing to cooperate and hand over the stuff? No way! Those are my most prized possessions. I will never give them up. Very well, then. Soldiers, advance! I see. Someone hasn't been paying back their loans. All right, seize the stuff. Wait, you can't do that. This is my stuff. Sure we can. You spent my money on it, remember? No, I won't let you do this. Nice try, buddy. Oh, damn it. Alright, Redbird. I'm gonna let you off with a warning this time. But one more thing with me and you, and I'm gonna taxidermy you, okay? I can't believe I lost all my stuff. See, Redbird? You shouldn't have taken out that loan. You're lucky we're still alive. I guess. Alright, Redbird. Now don't do any more stupid things, okay?